Matt here, back again at Pandora HQ, and today we've got this brand new 70 plate Audi RSQ8 Carbon Black Edition. This customer's opted to have the Pandora Elite V2 with the optional extra remote start. The Elite is the highest spec security system available on the market today, and for very good reason. In terms of security, there is nothing that beats the Elite. It includes dual shock sensors, motion sensors, internal and external sensors, and 120-bit encryption. Additional features such as real-time worldwide tracking, worldwide phone notifications, and even worldwide phone control, including the ability to remotely immobilise this car wherever you are in the world, all comes built into the Elite package. The Elite will protect your vehicle from relay theft, OBD port theft, code grabbing theft, and even key theft. It's not only the highest specification alarm system on the market, but it also includes the strongest immobilisation possible, being physical immobilisation. By prioritising normally open relays, it means even if the small and discreet unit is found and removed, the car is still completely immobilised. The Elite system also comes with the anti-hijack feature. This means if you were to be pulled out violently, it will keep you and the car safe by intelligently stopping the vehicle about a minute later when the thieves are away. You can also activate this from your mobile phone at any point to immobilise and disable the tags from the vehicle until you decide to re-enable it. The Pandora system uses 128-bit encryption, but what does this mean? It means that when you send an arm or disarm command through the tag or mobile phone app, it has to be unencrypted and sent back within milliseconds. Otherwise, the code expires and is deleted and is therefore useless. This means that code grabbing is effectively pointless. The Elite comes with every gadget we can offer in the system. This includes this LoRa long-range remote that works up to 4 kilometers away to give notifications, control, and setting changes. You'll also get a GSM antenna in the alarm brain, a GSM antenna that's separate to give better connectivity, and an RF antenna. That doubles up as a flashing Pandora logo deterrent, so thieves know there's a strong aftermarket system on the vehicle. The Pandora system works entirely through the Audi factory key. When I unlock the vehicle, it will disarm the system. And when I lock the vehicle, it will alarm the system. We can even remote start off the factory key by pressing the lock button 3 times.